In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to delete demo account and real account on XM. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open XM, and as you can see, we have here a real account. So click on it and go to manage. Now we have here close account. Click on it and click on close account. And now, as you can see, we don't have a real account. If we go here, you can't see a real account. Now, if you want to delete a demo account, click on demo and choose the account you want. So I will choose, for example, the standard. As you can see, it's $15,000. So all you have to do is click on it, click on manage, and click on close account. Click on close account. And now, as you can see, that account has been removed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.